Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to accept new iCloud terms and condition on iPhone iOS 18.5. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. Refreshing your iCloud session can clear glitches. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Click on Apple account. On the Apple account page, click on sign out. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Turn off Apple ID. Restart your iPhone and sign in back Apple ID. Solution number 2. Delete VPN. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General. On the General page, scroll up, click on VPN and Device Management. Click the VPN configuration listed under VPN. Click Delete VPN. Solution number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General. On the General page, click on Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General, scroll up, click on Transfer Reset iPhone, click Reset Network Setting, enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General, click on Software Update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.